Sold by Amazon. As a private label Amazon seller, if you see those words on a product next to yours, it usually sends shivers down your spine, because that means Amazon is actually directly competing against you with their own products. So how do you actually compete against them? Do you think you can actually win at this game? Well, one of the things that you should absolutely look at is their keyword strategy. What are they using for their keywords that can actually drive the algorithm to sell their own products? And yes, we can look at their listing, but what do they actually have in their back-end keywords? Wouldn't that be great to know? What are they putting in their back-end keywords that work with the Amazon algorithm? Well, until today, you can never check that. But now we have a brand new tool called Keyword Spotlight. And with Keyword Spotlight, you can actually spy on your competitors' listings, what is in their back-end keywords, see what they're putting in there, and then make a decision for yourself whether those are keywords that you might perhaps want to put in your own listing or keywords that you would like to avoid. So what I did is I've actually jumped in and added a few Amazon products and actually looked at their back-end keywords. It's really interesting to see what they actually put in there. So let's have a quick look. All right, so I've gone into Amazon.com and I've done a quick search for an Amazon product that they actually sell. And this yoga mat, the Gayam yoga mat, you can see right here is a product sold by Amazon. And I've taken their actual ASIN right here and I've entered it into Zonguru's Keyword Spotlight tool. So I've entered the keyword right here. It's pulled in the listing. It pulls in all the bullets and all of the back-end keywords, the search terms and the subject matter. Now what's really interesting, and I've done this for a few searches for Amazon products, they don't actually add anything into their subject matter, but they add one word into their search term, sold by Amazon. And that's pretty interesting to me. Is that a trigger for the Amazon's algorithm to actually send more traffic to their products? It might be, and it might be worth testing with your own product. Now, I've also done a lot of searches for products that are my main competitors for my product, and it's really interesting to see what they put in their back-end keywords. They put in brand names, your product's name, and a bunch of things that might actually be against terms of service. So if you can actually see those, it gives you leverage to one, report them if they are against terms of service, but number two, if they're adding keywords that are actually driving a bunch of traffic that you might not have in your back-end keywords, it gives you an insight into what you could potentially add to your listing. So I do this at least once a week. I go in and check my main competitors, see what they've got in their back-end keywords, and then make a decision whether they're against terms of service or whether I should actually add it to my own listing. Anyway, so if you are competing against Amazon, go in, look at their listing and look at their back-end keywords and see what they're putting in there and make a decision for yourself whether that's something that you'd actually like to put into your own listing. Keyword Spotlight is part of every single package with Zonguru. Sign up today if you don't have a Zonguru subscription. We have over 12 tools that will absolutely help you crush it on Amazon and make you scale your business consistently and massively over time. Check it out right now. Click on the link below.